guys, we are at the start of the 2020 Ride for Life, the Utah ATV Association Ride. We're heading from Grantsville out to Windover. As you can see, we got a line in front of us and about as many machines behind us. Fun ride today. We'll have a few stops along the way. Give you some updates. Alright, we're 19 miles in and we finally made off-road. And it's only for like a half a mile before we're back on pavement again. But we'll get some off-road done eventually. Hey guys, we're at our first official stop. We're at Dell, just getting everyone fueled up, getting drinks, bathroom break for the next ride, for the next leg. I don't know the exact machine count, but I bet it's close to 100 or better. Next stop should be Knowles. Okay, we're just leaving Dell, heading out towards Knowles, and we are in a dust cloud. Luckily the wind's blowing so far, but eventually we're going to turn south and just be in a cloud of dust. Figured I'd give you guys an update before we can't see where we're going. That's what it's going to get to. Well, we survived the dust, made it up over Hastings Canyon where there was a couple little washouts that weren't anything too crazy. Now we're heading to Knowles for lunch. Looks like we might get rained on today, which will be nice. Not quite hot, but it's warm enough. Alright guys, we're just leaving Knowles, heading towards Windover. We were delayed. There was a kid crashed on a dirt bike. Had a compound fracture, so our EMTs had to go help him while another ambulance came to get him. And none of the riders on our group passed out due to dehydration and overheating. So then our ambulance has left with them. So now we're going the last 30 miles without safety crew, or ambulance crew, I guess. So fingers crossed everyone's safe. Should be just down a nice gravel road the rest of the way. They decided it was better to get the other 100 of us into Windover instead of sitting out here in the heat waiting for an ambulance to come back. So we'll see if that's a good decision or not. Okay, we're at our last stop heading to Windover. Just waiting. Here's the group behind me. And then we're just waiting for the last few bikes to get some fuel. Then we'll get a sheriff escort into town, and then we're at the casino, hopefully. Well, we made it to Windover with only a minor incident in the group that I know of. One broke down machine and one dehydration. We're just rolling in, parking structure, and then we'll go hang out. We got a big drawing giveaway tomorrow, and then we'll ride back.